the Schoonofauna in the house. This is the part of the show where we find out who is the most popular act in the world right now. Literally. You've been voting in every single country for your favorite artists to find the MTV EMA's Worldwide Act. Here are the nominees. Worldwide Act. Ahmed Sultan, Middle East and Asia, Africa, India. Dima Bilan, Europe. Rihanna, North America.